job. Good job. Wanna try a bit more? Yeah? Wanna try a bit more?
Hindi na utang ko.
Sa akin, hindi ganyan.
Wanna try a bit more? Yeah? One more? Good job, Lucas. Yeah, there we go. Go, 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 go. Take it out. Good job. Yes. There we go. Good. All the mucus out. You can see here's the mucus right inside. It's just the amniotic fluid. Oh, now it's opening.